In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play two-player on Unturned. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the ways in which you will be able to create a server so you and a friend or however many people you want to play with can join and play together. So there are two main ways to do this. One of them is going to be free, albeit it has some limitations, while the other one is going to have much more accessibility and many more features. However, it is going to be paid. So first, for the free option, look for Unturned Dedicated Server on Steam. This is essentially a tool that is available, you download, and it is going to appear on your Steam library. Once you have the dedicated server on your library, install it on your computer and run. Sadly, for this video, I won't be able to show you this process in full, but you simply download the dedicated server and you click play, just like you would with Unturned or any other game. Doing this will create a local server, so you will see a screen like this one appear. You will see the loading level percentages here, so it is going to create the server, and at the bottom it is going to tell you 100% and then which players are connecting and disconnecting. The most important thing here is the server code. This is essentially the IP that people will be using to join the server. You need to let this run on the background. Do not close the Unturned dedicated server. With this done, you should go ahead, click on play, select multiplayer, and then you will have the servers set to internet. What you have to do is switch over to all LAN. So these are going to be servers on your local network. I don't have any server here because I'm not running the dedicated server, but assuming that you are, the server is going to appear here and you simply have to join it just like any other server. It is going to say 0 players because you are hosting it and no one joined, and as soon as you join, you will be able to start playing. Now remember the server code that I mentioned earlier. Now you need to copy this, so highlight the server code here, all of these numbers, copy it, and then send to your friend through Discord or through Steam or any other means. What they are going to do is go over to play, but instead of going to multiplayer, go to connect directly. Now they will be able to input the server code here. Of course, this is just a random example, but once they include the server code, they can go ahead and connect. They don't need to input anything here, and the password should be left on blank, and it's going to be okay. Now they are going to join. The difficulty with this method is that you need to let the Unturned dedicated server run on the background, and if you close this or turn off your PC, everyone will be disconnected. Every single time that you turn on the dedicated server, the server code is going to change, so you need to keep resending this over and over again. The other option that I mentioned, which is paid, but it is much better, is buying an Unturned dedicated server host. So you will be able to pay them monthly and they will host the server for you. However, it can get quite expensive. This allows the server to be online 24/7 and none of you will have to host the dedicated server through Steam. So you can turn off your PC, the server is going to remain on, the progress is going to be saved, and overall it is going to be a better experience. So choose whichever option you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to play two-player on Unturned. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.